Hello Internet, Warenotice here, and look what I've got, the Apple Watch Series 3 with LTE. So yes everybody, I'm about to unbox this bad boy for you all. So basically the main new feature of the Series 3 is that it can get cellular on it, meaning that you can leave your phone at home, go out, make calls, send texts, use your apps on it, basically connect to the internet with it, just like you would with a phone, except you don't need to bring your phone with you. And yeah, besides that, it does have a few other really minor new features sprinkled in, but that's the major thing. So now, let's unbox this bad boy. So now on the top of the box, you'll see it says Apple Watch Series 3, of course, and I'd also like to note the Series 3 is in red. If you're wondering why that is, if you come over here to the diagram of the Apple Watch, the way that you tell that one of these bad boys has cellular support actually is by this red dot on the side. So let's unbox it. Let's just peel this off. I made a little cut on this shrink wrap so I could do this. And voila. Ooh, there it goes. So now, the moment of truth, let's open this up. And wait for it, wait for it. Voila. There it is, the Apple Watch Series 3. And as you can see, I got the 42mm space gray case. And I also got the dark olive sport loop, which is actually a brand new band as well. So now let's take this plastic off. Ooh, come on plastic, get off. Oh, it's really on there. And here it is. Let's try it on. If you notice right here, it's actually Velcro. That's how it stays connected like this. And again, right here, you'll notice that red dot because it does have cellular. So let's turn it on. And while that turns on, let's look at what else is inside the box. So over here, we've got this little thing that the Apple Watch came in. Here we've got a nice little packet of papers. And here we've got the little USB power brick and the charging cable. And yeah, that's all. So now I've got this Apple Watch Series 3 all set up and I've been playing with it a little bit. So a few things you'll notice about this software is it does have all the new features of watchOS 4, of course. So some of those are new watch faces, such as this cute little Toy Story watch face, and then also this kaleidoscope watch face. There's even a Siri watch face, but then also a more exclusive software feature of this watch, because only the Series 3 can do it, is that Siri can actually respond verbally to what you say. On previous Apple Watches, when you ask Siri something, just the text appears on the screen, but she doesn't say anything, but now she speaks back. So here are some examples. Siri, what can you do?
Some stuff I can do.
Hey Siri, what baseball games are playing today?
Here's the MLB schedule for today.
And yeah, I definitely think that is a pretty cool feature. Maybe not worth spending a couple $100 on a brand new watch for it, but I mean, if you're getting the Series 3 anyway, it's definitely a nice addition. Now, speaking of a couple $100, if you're wondering how much this exact model costs, because maybe you want to buy this exact one for yourself, it starts at $430 for the 42mm version, which is this one right here. And I say starts at because you might also want to get Apple Care. And when I say you might, you really should get Apple Care. And then also, of course, taxes. So in the end, it'll be a little more than that. And then also, the spending does not stop there. Obviously, you're getting the LTE version. You don't have to set up the cellular. I set this up without getting cellular on it at all. But if you want to get that standalone LTE on this, so you can leave your phone at home, like I said, and just go out and roam around, that will set you back another $10 per month on any of the 4 major US carriers. I'm talking T-Mobile, I'm talking AT&T, I'm talking Sprint, and I'm talking Verizon. And yes, you have to get the same carrier on your watch as you already have on your phone. But hey, at least you don't have to worry about switching carriers to get a cheaper Apple Watch plan, because again, they all cost the same price and they all offer unlimited talk, text, data. And one of the cool things about this unlimited data on the Apple Watch is it actually allows you to stream Apple Music just right off your wrist. So that is obviously pretty cool. Just grab some Bluetooth headphones, start streaming wherever you are, and yeah, just $10 a month for the data, $10 a month for the Apple Music. $20 total. And now, since we've covered the essential newness of the Apple Watch, let's go back to the basics for those of you who've never even used an Apple Watch. Basically, you interact with it by touching the touchscreen on it, and also by using this little spinner right here, this little circle on the side. This is called the digital crown. You can use it to scroll on the Apple Watch, and also there's this side button right here, and you can use that to look at a multitasking view of all the different apps really beautifully. So that has been the Apple Watch Series 3 unboxed on Warenotice. I hope you guys like that, and I hope you just like my dab right there. So if you enjoyed this video, please, 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 pretty please subscribe to the Warenotice YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos. I love you guys. Warenotice out.